Hi students, welcome to Plus 2 Computer. So we are discussing about MySQL and also structured query language, the commands DML, the various DML and DDL commands of SQL. In the previous video we discussed about alter table command. To rename a table we are using alter table command. Then suppose you want to delete rows from a table, then we can use delete from table name, delete from condition. Then after that drop table. Drop table is belonging to DDL category. DDL means data definition language. Drop table is used for removing a particular table from a relation. Then after that nested queries. Nested query means a query contain another query. So in the previous video we already seen two select statement in a single query. Okay, so all these are belonging to changing the structure of a definition and the alter the name and renaming a table. That means all belonging to the application or operation belonging to a particular table. Okay, so in this section we are going to discuss a new topic called concept of views or a virtual table, and also that we are going to discuss one more command that is called create view command. Okay, these are the two topics that we are going to discuss in this video. So what is our topic? View. Okay, view means it is a virtual table. In a single statement we can define view, virtual table. What is a view? View is a virtual table. Virtual table means it is not real. It is not really existing as a table. For example, suppose I want to take some of the informations from a table. Okay, for example, if a table contains 10 different columns. For example, if this is a student table for 2020. Admission number, name of the student, then date of birth, phone number, then batch, then it's belonging to any of the category, that means fee details, then their textbook, that means second language. Okay, whatever it is, so many informations present in a table. Okay, it consists of different columns starting from admission number to second language description. So many things were present. Then suppose I want to select what is this table name, student. Then suppose I want to take some of the column names. Okay, only some of the column names like admission number, name of the student, date of birth and fee details. Batch and fee details. Only this much or these 5 columns I required for my particular operation. Suppose I want to find out the fee collection and also the amount, whatever it is relating to fees. Then I don't want the entire table, I only require this 5 columns. Then I want to perform some of the operation onto this 5 columns. Okay, the entire table is not required, I only require these 5 columns. Then there is one option called view option. We can create a view with the corresponding number of columns and we can make it as a virtual table. The original table will be exist in the database, but from the original table we are creating a virtual table. Then we can modify the table, we can delete value from the table, whatever it is we can perform, but it will not affect the original table. Okay, what is it? It will not affect the original table. Okay, I think it is clear what is meant by view. View means it is a virtual table. Using view, we can collect the selected number of columns. Then after that, we can perform operation on a particular column. Then before that, so I already mentioned how many columns I required. I required only that 5 columns from the table. What is the table name? Student. Then next I am going to create the command that I am using. For creating view, I am using the command create view command. Which command I am using? Create view command. What is the command name? Create view command. Then create view name, then select. How many columns we are selecting? All that column name you want to mention. What are the columns that we are selecting? Then from which table name? From table name. From table name. From which table we are selecting? Then you want to specify the condition. Where condition, like that. Okay, that means create view name. We are specifying or we are giving a new name. Then after that select how many columns we are selecting. Specify all the column names along with the table name, then condition. Then I will write one example to indicate the working of view. To indicate the working of view, example is create view. The previous, that means original table name was student. So I am going to give a new name for the view, student 2020. That means that particular name as select. Then I want to specify the column name. Which are the column names I am going to select? Select admission number, comma, name, comma, date of birth, comma, batch, comma, fee from student. Okay. First I specified the condition, how many columns I require, admission number, name, date of birth, batch, fee, from which table? From student table. Clear? So we can write like this. Then one more example I can write. Create view student 2020 or student 20 as select star from student where date of birth less than 1 semicolon. That means in this view I am selecting all the details. Select star means the entire row I am selecting. I am not mentioning the column name. The entire row I am selecting. What is the condition? Where date of birth less than 1999 111. Then automatically the corresponding all the rows will come as a view. Then what is the view name? Student 20. Then all the operations required for the tables, that also we can perform with the help of views. Okay, all the operations required for view we can also perform using tables. Okay, whatever it is we can perform. Create view student as select student were date of birth less than 1999 then 1. All the values less than that particular date will come. Then suppose we created view and suppose we want to delete that view from a table. We can use which command we are using for deleting table from a relation? Drop table. Instead of that we can write drop view command. The command that we are using for deleting views from a relation, that is drop view. So we can write like this. Drop view name. Okay, if we write like this, then what will happen? The view will be eliminated from that particular database. The corresponding view will be eliminated from that particular database. So all the operations like DML operation we can perform. That means we can update value, we can delete value from a table. Whatever operation is this, all these operations we can perform on view, but it will not affect the original table. It will not affect the original table. The data present in the original table will be remains same. There will be no change. Okay, I think it is clear. Then actually view is a virtual table. using virtual table we can perform all different kinds of operations. So security level is less because it is not a original table, it is a virtual table that we are extracting from the original table. Clear? Then, so only this much is present in view. So again we will revise the topics that we studied. Okay, what are the topics that we studied? What is meant by a view? View is a virtual table, and the command that we are using for creating view. Which command we are using for creating view? Create view command. Then for deleting view from a database we are using drop view command. Okay, so these are the two commands, create view command and second one was drop view command. Then in your textbook one table is present that I am giving as homework. Okay, please look at the table properly. In that table it's already given SQL, then command, essential keywords and purpose of the command. You want to complete that table, look at the first one. Create a table. Is there any essential keywords present in create a table? Create a table, there is no essential command present. Then for what purpose we are using? For creating table. Then second one, alter table. Alter table, we can add column, we can modify column, we can rename column. These are the essential keyword. Second one, drop table. Is there any other keyword? No. Table name is not a keyword. Then create view. Create view contain select as. Then drop view, no option. Then insert into values. Then select, update and delete. So all these commands, that means this entire table you want to draw in your notebook along with the essential keyword. Whatever keywords we are using in that particular set, that also you want to write along with the definition. Description definitely you want to write for what purpose we are using that particular keyword and also the commands. Okay, so hope you understood. By this we are completing our chapter, SQL chapter. In the next video we will discuss one SQL question along with query and also its answer. And also one question I will give as homework. Okay, so hope you understood. The remaining section we will discuss in the next video. Okay, then thank you.